Welcome to Bhavesh Fasteners, manufacturer and supplier of screw and nut bolts. The company was established in the year 1980. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure and international quality standards make us unique in the industry. Spacious warehouse, customized solutions, and wide distribution network make us the preferred supplier in the industry. Our manufacturing facilities include trimming, threading, cutting, and other machines. Abrasion resistance and precise dimensions are some of our product features. Our team comprises of experienced engineers, talented technicians, and others. We offer a wide assortment of nut bolts and metal screws. Nut bolts offered by us are available at industry-leading prices. Our metal screws are nothing but the best solution for all your needs. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.bhaveshfasteners.com.